This 2015 Winnebago Sightseer 35G is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 36 feet 5 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Brown's interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, microwave, smoke detector, stove top burner, skylight, slideout, refrigerator, external shower, self-contained, leveling jacks, and 80 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2015 Winnebago Sightseer 35G is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Ford Triton V-10 6.8L 362 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.